Ready to dive into a world of communities and connect with friends? Let's get your Discord account set up on your PC or laptop. First, open your web browser and head to the official Discord website. You'll want to find the download button for Windows or Mac OS, depending on your operating system. Click that download button, and once the file has finished downloading, locate it in your Downloads folder and double-click to start the installation process. The Discord installer is straightforward. Just follow the on-screen prompts, and Discord will be installed onto your computer in no time. Now that Discord is installed, open the application. You'll be greeted with a screen asking you to log in or register. Click on the register button. Here, you'll need to enter your email address, choose a unique username, create a strong password, and provide your birthday. Make sure to remember these details. After filling in your details, Discord will send a verification email to the address you provided. Open your email inbox, find the Discord verification email, and click the link inside to confirm your account. Congratulations! Your Discord account is now created. You can start joining servers, adding friends, and customizing your profile to make your Discord experience your own. From chatting with your gaming buddies to joining interest-based communities, your Discord journey begins now. Happy connecting!